Okay, so this is an account that I've been tracking for a little while, and they're just totally crushing it. I would consider this to be in that sort of consumer niche. And so essentially what this account does is they're just kind of creating concept products. So these products don't actually exist, but they're just kind of cool concept products. So let's just watch this one, for example. All right, so big cat beds, little fish tank type thing, big, animal beanbag chairs, whatever. And this is an absolutely killer niche that has huge monetization potential. And so I'm not going to go too deep into how to make these videos. Pretty simple: generate the image, animate it with Kling or Minimax or whatever you want, and that's basically all they're doing here. But instead, I'm going to talk about some different potential ways to monetize this type of account, because this is a great niche, because this, again, it's the consumer niche. People are interested in products, and, certainly a percentage of these people would happily purchase these products if they actually existed. And so what we need to do is we need to obviously provide products that do actually exist. And so the way that this account is monetizing, if we click the link right here, they essentially just have a website where they've got all these different articles, just, saying, more details about these imaginary products, whatever. And they're essentially just monetizing through Google Ads. All these ads that you see on the website, they're getting paid to run those ads on this site. And I did a little bit of research. This site is getting roughly 25,000 visitors per month. And so, yeah, they're making a little bit of money from that, but it's actually such a terrible strategy, and there's so many better ways to do it. And so a better way to do it is that you could create, these same types of articles talking about these products. Like if I were to just click into one of these articles, again, they're just, forcing me to watch ads, which is good. They're making money for that. But again, they're basically writing articles about these imaginary products. And so what you would want to do is you would want to write these same type of articles, but you would want to write them about real products that you can actually sell and earn real money from selling them. And so in this case, I would use this network right here. This is an affiliate network called Giddy Up. And this is a really great affiliate network that has a lot of really cool, physical products that are not super ordinary. These are like really interesting viral, gizmos and gadgets and different things that, you see a lot of viral Facebook ads for these types of products and stuff like that. But let's just come over here, and I'm going to filter by category. Let's do, we'll do outdoor living. We'll do, tech gadgets. We'll do kitchen, and home and garden, right? Because these are the categories that this TikTok account is making a lot of this stuff, right? Outdoor patio stuff, kitchen, home, little Star Wars blender, stuff like that. So, I'm just kind of filtering by those categories right here. And so now we can see a lot of these interesting products. So here's a product I could promote, and I think this one pays like 50% commission or something like that, but it's kind of just this cool little, outdoor tiki torch light thing that plays music or something like that. But these are cool products that you could create, articles on a website like this. And so, instead of sending traffic to go read articles about a bunch of fake products that make no money, you could make all these articles about real products that would earn real money if people were to actually buy them. And so, this person's getting 25,000 people per month to visit this website. And if he actually had real products that people could purchase from this website using this affiliate network or other similar affiliate networks, he would be making way more money than whatever he's making from, running these Google ads on the site. So using this affiliate network to promote these affiliate products would be the easiest, most straightforward way to start monetizing an account like that. And of course, there's also a lot of really good products that you could promote using TikTok Shop, which if you don't know the strategy for that, obviously be sure to come into the course and check out, the TikTok Shop module and drop shipping and all those kinds of things. But overall, I think this niche has some massive monetization potential if you were to do something similar, but just have a better monetization strategy than what this guy's doing here. So that's pretty much it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.